Hello everyone, welcome back to Georgia Paper Crafts. Today I'm going to be working with Spellbinders January 2021 card kit of the month. Again, I've gotten all my kits late, so all my videos will be late. So I'm sure a lot of you are the same. The mail service seems to be just backed up, so a lot of people are getting their things later than normal, but that's okay. These are kits that can be used at any time. So starting out, the card kit of the month is called Lucky Love, and you get these dies here. I don't know why I didn't get them in a bag. Oh, I did. They came out. Interesting. That form this lucky cat. You know, one of the cats that kind of moves the arms, and I believe you can even set it up to where it will do that. I've seen some videos online of people doing that where they make it so that the hand can go back and forth. I'm gonna have to research how to do that, but I'm sure I'll make a couple of these. Mostly I'll probably make them off camera just to save some time, but one more die here. There we go. I think I've got them all. And this, it looks like it will cut out. My guess is that this is going to cut out So Lucky right here. Okay. And I have a feeling that these flowers are going to cut out probably those. Kind of like these 4-leaf clover flowers almost. Yeah. So those will cut out those. They'll coordinate with this stamp set here. And you've got sayings like, oh, hey there, happy birthday, happy Valentine's Day, to be celebrating with you, friend like you. So a lot of times I don't use the stamp set, but I might this time. Those are some good sentiments. Got a pack of some gold sequins here. Of course, we've got our 10 card bases and envelopes. These are A2 size card bases and envelopes, white, pre-folded and scored card bases. These are textured surfaces. Easy to make 10 cards with. Get a pack of our dimensional foam adhesive along with our double-sided tape. We get some cardboard stickers here, and got everything from just sentiments on banners to rainbow, some hearts here. This one says, it's amazing how one day someone walks into your life and you can't remember how you ever lived without them. Isn't that true? My cat is scratching on something. Sorry about that. And then this one is just some thick stickers, sentiment stickers. Hey, love you, in my heart, smile, hugs, kisses, cute. Get a page of those. You get some white glitter heart, not white, this is gold glitter heart stickers. Get the paper pad. This is Lucky Love. And again, these are all one single-sided sheets, and I think you get 2 of each design, and I believe there are 20 designs. So very love, spring themed ones, some that have some gold metallic detail on it, rainbow, cat. See, here's that gold metallic. Then we get our cardstock, and that is, let's see, a navy, the gold metallic, a blue, light green, yellow, white, light pink, darker pink, or more bright pink, and then a darker pink. Get all of those, and they coordinate with the papers. And then we get all of these die cut shapes. I'm going to set them out real quick, and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so I'm back and I've put them all out, and what you get is 2 of each design, and you can get anything here from sentiments. You can see here we've got better together, so blessed, I'm the luckiest, your special day, love you, we are family, happiness is shared. You're amazing. You make me so happy. A big and small little lucky cat. Fortune cookies, hearts, flowers, butterflies, all kinds of rainbows and lucky, you know, 4-leaf clovers, all kinds of stuff. So my thought process is I got to look at all this and kind of figure out what kind of cards I want to make. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll get started, and then we'll make 10 cards. All right, so starting out with card number 1, what I'm going to do is just kind of go through these. I've pre-cut. What I like to do with these kits when I'm making 10 cards is to pre-cut and kind of lay out my design as to how I want it to be, and then I'll put them all together at the end, kind of like mass producing. So what I'm going to do is kind of just walk through real quick what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to just turn on some music and let you watch me make the 10 cards. So essentially I've used the pattern paper, some of the cardstock that came in the kit, some of the die cuts that came in the kit. Sometimes I've used some of the sentiments that came in the kit. I've done some stamping. I've put together the cat piece. I'll show you that when we get to it. But essentially, I've used pretty much all stuff from the kit. Now, to embellish, I'll just be straight. I'm not a big fan of big sequins like this, so I am not sure if I'll use these. But to embellish, I might use maybe my stickles or my Nuvo drops or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and start putting them together. I'll put on a little bit of music, and I hope you enjoy watching me make these 10 cards. Okay, so here is a quick look at all 10 cards that I made. I really enjoyed working with this kit. It's so cute. Lots of good love, lucky, good luck theme cards in here that you can make. And of course I have tons that are left over. So if I wanted to make more cards, I could definitely do that. I have more that I could use. So I'm trying to be cautious because I don't want to, some of the stickles are still a little wet here. But thank you so much for stopping by and watching me make these 10 cards. I appreciate you and appreciate you watching my channel. So if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from Georgia Paper Crafts, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.